Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious roti nachos in your microwave. First, gather your ingredients, 2 or 3 rotis, about 1/2 cup of shredded cheese, and any toppings you love, like salsa or jalapenos. Next, take each roti and cut it into 8 to 12 triangular pieces. This creates the ideal nacho shape. Finally, arrange these roti pieces in a single layer on a microwave-safe plate, ensuring they don't overlap too much for even cooking. Now that your roti pieces are ready, it's time to build your nachos. Begin by sprinkling about half of your shredded cheese evenly over the roti pieces on the plate. This creates a foundational layer of cheesy goodness. Then, add a layer of your favorite toppings. Think diced tomatoes, finely chopped onions, or even some black beans. Finally, cover everything with the remaining half of the shredded cheese, ensuring a generous, gooey finish once melted. With your nachos assembled, it's time for the microwave. Place the plate in the microwave and cook on high for 60 to 90 seconds. Keep an eye on it. You want the cheese to be fully melted and bubbly but not burnt. Once done, carefully remove the hot plate using oven mitts. The plate will be very warm. Now, you can add any fresh, cold toppings like a dollop of sour cream, a spoonful of guacamole, or some fresh cilantro. Your delicious, homemade roti nachos are now ready to enjoy. Serve them immediately while the cheese is still warm and gooey for the best experience. Don't be afraid to get creative. Try different types of cheese, like Monterey Jack or a spicy pepper jack, and explore various toppings to discover your ultimate flavor combination. For more great tips and deals, check the description below this video. You'll find links to other helpful guides and special offers, including information on the new Kindle Paperwhite.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.